I gotta make it, I'm tired of waiting, I gotta take it, I gotta face it, I gotta chase it, I can just taste it, 'cause I've been down so long.
Yeah, I gotta make it.
Hey guys, what's up, what's poppin', what's not stop? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I do my photo shoot for my 21st birthday, and the photo shoot here do from the 1st of September. So nobody come for me come talk about how I say I'm pregnant and my belly look. So this are the day after I find out I'm pregnant and whatever. So what we are doing right now is testing the lighting, I guess, but I don't know the different type of lighting them and whatever. Now I'm on the ground because I feel I look self. If I don't look right, this one can't see my belly I push out. And I know some always have a look flat belly. But right this so I don't know what I go on for this. So I never normally I eat before I do a photo shoot, so I can't say I eat. I'm look baby I push up her head. So right now I don't know what I try. I guess we try fix me. I love the one back way to cloth. Oops, sorry. I have the one back way, but I saw it go. I left high school when I was 16. That's because at the time when we did left high school. Shut the hell up. Anyways, so right now I just go on the ground and I feel myself look a bit.
Show your little body.
Yes, so now when I said I look a cute photographer there. Sorry, I joke. That's the photographer. The next one a photographer too, but today I'm not taking a picture. I'm just going to help out with the lighting. If I see one girl and I throw the balloon them for me, that's my friend Dali. She a photographer too. Make sure you go on Instagram and check them out at Glam's Photo or Glam Photos and MC Photography. I mean Ross CM. Jesus, oh my God. CM Photography with 2 E at the end. And Carrie Photographer or something like that. Oh my God, I'm so bad with the name. I remember, but I gotta put them name in there. So right now, I don't know what I do. I just skin out right there so. Something. And yeah, so my friend have video and the cute photographer there take a picture. You know, I'm gonna stop it. Listen to music. I so come back.
Cause I don't get sent to. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy. My little mama nasty. I see the through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like the Fatini. My little mama sitting pretty. And we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. From Chanel to Celine, it's all you to decide. Valentine, we I put you in the back of my little mama sitting pretty. And we be shopping through the city. The keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. From Chanel to Celine, it's all you to decide. Valentine, we I put you in the back. Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Oh, baby, gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. I know fast car, take you on the fast car, yeah. I know you're feeling me, you know I'm feeling you. Oh, you asked me, none of vacancy. Last time, see up on FaceTime, shutting up the place, boating on my relationship. Me, I go put your body on lockdown. Put your body on lockdown. You got me on lock now. You got my button on lock. Oh, if you love me, you should let me. You should let me. You should let me know. And if you don't know, better feel let me. Better feel let me. I better you let me go. Pulling up.
Yes, so now I think I'm done with that outfit there. Next. This are the dress. I never the outfitted one. I did one. The next one, like, you know them look a princess puff out outfit that when you put on it flare off. The one them did one, but it could have passed my look a bony hip, and it when we try to put it on it, it could have passed my shoulder. So I end up could get that one. Then I forgot with that one. That I never really like, but I've worked with it, and I 7 grand feet. Best believe it. Even when I look like at that feet, I saw them teeth, you know. Yeah, and something. So I want to look a color heels and thing. But I don't know what to do with the 21. Every minute I take it up. For I don't know, because I guess we come turn 21. I don't know. But yeah, that's how I really go on with a little dress up, yeah. And never really have enough pose for the dress, because I don't normally go for dresses. I don't know, I love show my little maga bone skin and all these things. So I just have to work on to get. So work it on to get to that.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like, you make me feel like, you make me feel. When you do, tell me send sing up, like you want my emphasis, more like a jam car tire. Endless loving and it can't expire. I won't say that I never lose a prayer. You know, say you have the loving to me body when you hold me, and if you call me, we come. Baby, me now let you go, love is like a seed and you reap. Is that? Eastside. Him ask how me want it so like man on a data service neat and ink up. Natural men in a surgeon love how me no mix up. Doing on a controversy dance like Cisco. When anybody touch my cervix, I know.
Right, that's so I gone back on the ground once again. Kinda like the look pose, but I don't think I get none of them picture there. I guess it never come out good or whatever. And boom, baby, we finish.